All right, it's been a while since I did an update, and here's what we got going. I put everything up on these tables out here because I don't know if it was the birds or the squirrels, but they were getting everything. They were digging it right up. So here's what we have. Our potatoes are growing up. This pot is probably way too small for that one. Some of the things didn't make it, but I've replanted some more seeds in a couple of them. Over here, the potatoes are looking real good. And I still got a couple more pots over there with the potatoes. This one is getting really high. Some of the stuff didn't make it, but stuff over on the edge did. And we have some of these, which I got at an Amish place. Seedlings there. We have some of these grew, some of them didn't so much. And then over here is just what I've showed you guys before. I don't really know how this is doing. The scallion's doing really good, but I don't know about the beans and stuff. They're not sprouting or anything. Here's my bigger pot of potatoes. Also, remember I have the potatoes and the onions down on the other side of the house, actually planted right in the ground. So this is what we have right now. It's looking pretty decent for what I have. Just hopefully they grow some food. Okay, I'm transplanting all my seedlings into bigger pots and stuff. I've got stones at the bottom of both of these. I just transplanted a tomato. It smells really nice. We got 4 of these that are gonna go in here. And there we go. Let's hope these grow. Okay, I'm out here, it's a very hot day, digging a hole, and this dirt is not cooperating with me. It's very, very hard to dig this hole. It's like rocky and the dirt is so compact, but I'm trying to dig a hole so I can transplant the potatoes. Hole is big enough. Just want to make sure this all stays together. This is my tallest potato plant, and I want to replant it. And I'm told that the higher up on the stem, the more potatoes will grow. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, that looks good. And I guess it's okay just to cover all the way up the stem. From what I'm told, I've never grown potatoes before, so this is the first time. I just want this to work. It'd be nice eating my own homegrown potatoes, making some recipes out of them. This dirt is really dry. So let's hope it works. Okay, let's water this. We don't have to worry about the pot filling up because it's in the ground now. So we can give it a nice water. And then I have a few others that I gotta do the same thing with. It just takes forever. Potatoes. Potato. It is a hot one out here. It's like 90 degrees. Going for a little hike, if you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Okay, all these steps. Way up to the gorge. It's way higher than it looks on camera. Good for cardio. Try not to see any bears. Like, share, comment. We'll see you in the next video.